hate to tell you, AI is not a nice to have. It is a must have. If you do not use it to grow your business next year to leverage time and money in some cases, you're going to get left behind. One of the biggest lessons I've learned in growing Complete Game Consulting is how to create leverage. And when I think about the word leverage, it's how can I get more done in less time? And what is it going to take to allow me to get more done in less time? Is it going to take money? Am I going to have to invest something to get more time, to buy back time? Am I going to have to get people, hire people to allow me to buy back time? It might be a combination of both, paying people by hiring them so I can get time back. But there's a third area I want to talk about with leveraging time that you have to be utilizing next year or you will get left behind, and that is artificial intelligence. I hate to tell you, AI is not a nice to have. It is a must have. If you do not use it to grow your business next year to leverage time and money in some cases, you're going to get left behind. And I look at what we do on a weekly basis here to leverage artificial intelligence so we can get more things done faster, whether it's our content, whether it's creating our email campaigns, our sales pages, you name it. Using AI has to be an integral part of your business today. And so as you look at 2024 and look at how you're going to hit your sales goals, how you're going to grow your agency, you have to ask yourself, where and how are we going to leverage artificial intelligence to make this happen? Hey, we're going to be at a day and age in the not too distant future where the producer role is going to be less important because AI will help your agency book appointments. Think about that. It's coming. And I'm not talking about years, I'm talking about months. So creating leverage for your business is one of the most important things you can do. I work with advisors right now who are the kink in the hose keeping their business from growing because they aren't willing to make the investment in money or people so that they can scale. They continue to stay small and prohibit their growth because they don't want to make those investments. Sometimes you got to grow horizontally before you can grow vertically. And that requires investing money and time, or money and people, to get time back. So that's my urge to you. I still struggle with it here today. We are in a position where we have got to hire a sales rep. We need to hire more coaches as we continue to grow. I won't lie. Sometimes I make that fatal flaw of saying, no, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. Now I'm getting in the way. So my advice to you, lesson number 3, leverage. Figure out how you can create more leverage in your business. There are no medals for working 18 hours a day to get what you need to get done, because this is about growing a business you love.